Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a simple loop scrolling gallery to your WordPress site. This plugin is perfect for showcasing multiple images in a smooth, animated way with nice scrolling effects. Here's where it gets exciting. The gallery uses scroll-triggered animations. Images fade in and slide in from alternating sides, creating a sleek and simple effect. The first row stays anchored while the rest animate dynamically as you scroll, giving your site a modern, polished look. Let's see how you can add this kind of gallery to your Elementor-based website. First, download the plugin from the video description and install it on your WordPress site. This plugin is powered by GSAP with scroll trigger and images loaded JavaScript libraries. GSAP handles the smooth animations, scroll trigger connects them to your scrolling, and images loaded make sure the gallery only animates after images are fully loaded. Once installed, go to the plugin settings. Here, you can upload multiple images at once, and you can also reorder or remove images easily. To display the gallery on a page, simply use the provided shortcode. Let me show you the process step by step. I'm using Elementor, so let's add it there. Just copy the shortcode, then open any page in the editor. Add a full-width container, drop in the shortcode widget, paste the shortcode, and hit Save Changes. On the live page, as you scroll down, the gallery smoothly comes to life. Images fade in and slide with a modern flow, giving that sleek, interactive feel. It's simple, but the scrolling effect makes it look really dynamic and engaging. On the plugin page, you can easily add more images and rearrange the gallery order. Right now, it comes with a single layout, but future updates will bring more layouts and customization options. And that's a wrap for this video. Ready to give your WordPress site a sleek, modern gallery animation? If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to explore more WordPress tips and tutorials right here on my channel.